Hey guys, what's going on today? Today we're gonna do it. It's March 1st. This is actually um, our update on Verizon Up Rewards for the month of March. Let's go ahead in here and let's go ahead and see what they have to offer for us. So you can see I've got 3 credits expiring soon. I've got to spend these, and it's not looking too good this month. So we've got Nordstrom. You can come in here. Looks like they're probably trying to get you $5 for Nordstrom, $5 for Barnes and Nobles. We got $6 Starbucks card and $5 device dollars, 50% off an Uber or $5 AMC. So since I've got 3 expiring within the next 12 days or so, I'm gonna go ahead and at least do this Starbucks one. So let's claim this. The wife will like that one. So we'll save that for later. Now I've got 2 left. Now, the one thing that's good about these is that once I do claim one, I'm getting this new one. Now, I don't Bloomin' Brands, so you're looking at Bonefish, Carrabba's, Outback, and Flamingos. Flaming, I don't know what that one is. Um, I don't really I've got Outback out here, but we never eat there, so I don't know if I do that one. So within the next 10 days or so, if they don't change it, I'll probably just be picking off something that I'm not too happy with. But of course, as always, you can come down here to the bonus rewards and look to see what they have for free. Of course, these don't have charge anything, so these are just free. Let's see. So they got budget and a unique wood print for $25. All right. Well, as always, if I see anything that I might uniquely like, I go ahead and claim it. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything. No tokens. No credits at all. And of course, always keep in mind that your credits do expire every 60 days. So, luckily, I do have those extra credits only because we had a kind of a glitch in the early part of January, and Verizon gave me 2 free credits just because when we were all trying to get the Super Bowl tickets, and of course, I don't have anything now. They haven't really had anything for the last really since the Super Bowl is the last thing I've seen. Actually, normally you'll see a lot of Maroon Fives or occasional football games, Justin Timberlake concerts. Those have been really big with them, but I haven't seen anything lately. So, and as always, you can go to your local offers and browse them and see what is actually in your area just by typing in your city or your zip code. And again, those don't require any credits at all, just like the bonus rewards. Typically, for me lately, there's been like Hungry Howie's, um, Chipotle, free chips and queso, and that's usually about it. Maybe 1 or 2 other things if I'm lucky, but that's about it. So not a real good month for Verizon Up. Kind of boring this one. So sometimes they come and go. Sometimes they're really nice. Sometimes they just suck. So anyway, if you guys are here, go check out my other Verizon ones. You can check out my other months, or you can see actually how to claim. You actually saw it in this video, so that's actually my best video right now. So if you guys feel like it, go check those other videos out. But as always, thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up that button if you found this helpful, or at least hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so that we can hit that YouTube success mark and slowly get to that point where we have a successful monetized channel. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I do a video a day for a year. Everything from how-tos to reviews, product reviews. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you guys in another video. Thanks.